How to print from HP SmartClick on the HP OfficeJet Pro 9720 and 9730 wide format all-in-one printer series. Using HP SmartClick, you can effortlessly arrange and print multiple file types and sizes on a single page with real-time preview. To use SmartClick, open the HP Smart app. If you do not have the free HP Smart app, you can get it from 123.hp.com or from your app store. On the HP Smart home screen, make sure your HP OfficeJet Pro printer is selected. Select the print tile to open HP SmartClick. If this is your first time using HP SmartClick, you will need to download the necessary drivers. Select the option to open HP Smart. The driver download begins. Once the download completes, you are brought to the HP SmartClick home screen. Click Add Files or drag and drop the files into the HP SmartClick interface. To change which tray the job will be printed to, select the gear icon on the right. Select the Source drop-down and then select the tray. You can change file settings individually, or you can select a file group you would like the settings to apply to by checking the box for each file. A warning sign next to a file indicates that the automatic PDF error check detected an issue with that file. Click the warning message to see all potential issues and suggestions for how to resolve the error. To resize a file, select the File Image drop-down settings and then select your desired size from the list. Select the Rotate icon on the bottom to rotate the images 90 degrees at a time. To rearrange files, you can drag and drop them to change the order they are in. The Auto Nesting feature allows you to include multiple images on one page. Select the images you would like to nest, select the gear icon, and then select the Nest option. When you are ready to print, select the Print option. To view the status of your print job, select the page icon in the top right to view the My Documents menu. From here, you can also view job history and re-add any previous print jobs to the queue by selecting Add Again.